about to install the Nayax card reader inside our vending machine. First thing you want to do is make sure all the powers are off and stuff when you're performing any electrical stuff. Pull it out. Make sure everything is good. What we used to have is the E port right here. So we already took it off. Oh man, got my finger jammed. Alright, so we just took it off. That's how it looked like. If you want to come back around here. Yeah, so what we did was we just took off the little screws here. Kept them. Make sure you keep the not screws, they're called the
nuts.
The nuts. Kept the nuts, why not? Yeah, the Nayax right here. Nicely done. It actually fits pretty much how it looks like that. And come back on the side over here. It actually fits pretty well. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna just leave it like that. I'm gonna go grab some nuts. Yeah. Nuts in. Sure. We only have 3 right now, so make sure we leave the 2 bottoms. So what came with it was the antenna, the MDD, and back cord. We also got a card for it to test. A little something to put on there in the front. Rewards for MoMA, or not MoMA. That other pay that Nayax does. And they give you a nice little cloth. So you're gonna have to take this back out. Right here, this little protective part. Nicely done. Insert the billion prong cord here into your Nayax. This cord goes up here. They all kind of fit one way, so you know it shouldn't be too hard. First you don't succeed, you know, kind of make sure everything's kind of good in there too, because it messes up. They even give you the SIM card already. The SIM card's already in there, if you can see that there. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to detach the coin mechanism from the motherboard. Lord, from the motherboard. So then we're gonna take the main board from the Nayax. We're going to take the main one, attach it to the motherboard now, and then the other end you're going to attach it to your mech or your validator or whatever you're using at the time. Probably get some zip ties on, and you can, you know, do your own thing. Find somewhere to put it. Maybe not the best spot, but it's there. You also got the antenna you gotta go put in there. Said they're gonna fire you vibes.
Hope not.
I was gonna be like, yo, what's going on? So there's this point right here. It'll come in a little bit junior. It's actually, you have to put it right in here. It's actually funny. Yeah, it's like a little slot. You just kind of just push it in there. You can see on the other end. But I can't do it. So yeah, we finally got it in there. You just kind of have to get it in there, and hopefully you don't damage your cord. I don't know what else to say with that. So, you know, you get a whole bunch of stuff like this. Maybe you might want to, like, again, tie it up a little bit more. Actually, they give you a little thing right here. You just tie it up after, but for whatever purposes right now. Once that is all done, you will then put them back. There you go. And everything should be good to go. You want to pause it? All it start up. Let it do its thing. I didn't put no coins in there, but let's see if it'll work. Nayakin. What the homie used to say, Nayak. To this day, he won't stop saying Nayak, yo. Shout out to Hillside Vending. Nayak. Alright, cool. I think I'm supposed to. I think they want me to test it out first, though. That's for sure.